Alright, so this is the palette that I'm going to be using. It's called the Dream Palette by Sigma, and it has about 18 eyeshadows. This is the brush, and I really think this palette is really pretty. The colors are appealing. It, you know, it kind of also, the rectangular eyeshadow palette kind of remind me of the Urban Decay palettes. Collaboration with Beautybird. I've never heard of that brand, but okay. I'm going to do something with this part of the palette. So all these 6 colors I'm going to play with. Okay, this color right here, I'm going with the brush and I'm going to play. Alright, let me use my mirror. And because I have eyes that are, you know, hooded, they're kind of going down like this, I'm going to try and lift up my eyes. So I'm not going to go into my normal crease, which is in here, because you're not going to see anything. I'm going to go way above my crease. Let's go.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger är min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Ni kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
I'm going to go into Puesta del Sol, which is this color right here, right next to that black. I'm using the same brush. That is going to give me some depth that I need. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's therapy for me. Sometimes when I'm in a bad mood, and I am a Virgo, so I can have moods. I know, so being moody is not Christian like, but okay. I have moods. Just to be like, just there. And you'll be like, what's wrong with you? And I'm like, I don't know, I'm just there. Does that happen to you guys? Okay, I'm going to ambidextrous, which is this color right here. Alright. Sometimes when I'm in that zone, what I've been working on is trying to get out of that zone, and makeup just, I don't know, it's just therapeutic for me. We say moody, we tend to want to associate it negatively, but it's not always negative. Mood, you could have a happy mood. You could be joyful, which is what I guess I'm supposed to be most of the time. Supposed to be, doesn't sound right, but I aim to be joyful all the time. But is that even realistic? I don't know. But joyful, 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 we adore thee. And now we are close, so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry that you guys were so far away. Alright, we're going into Beauties. That's a shimmery color right there. I'm going to turn the brush to the other side where it doesn't have any pigment, and I'm going to go into Apartment 512. Apartment 512 is this beautiful purple color, and I'm going to put that right next to that shimmer that the Beauty's shimmer that I just put down. Okay, like so. And watch how this eye look has become very complicated. I did say it was going to be simple, but please, I just get carried away when it's time for eyeshadow application, and my hands just have a mind of their own.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är...
All you can do is be in control of your own attitude and your own mood and your reaction towards whatever is going on that is unpleasant or whatnot. My husband always tells me, don't let that ruin your day. Don't let an outcome, an unpleasant outcome, ruin your day. Pink lip gloss. I'm going to do something bolder than pink. I was going to say bold than. It's not bold than. Bolder than. Alright, so I just used the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition foundation powder, and this is in golden tan for my lips. I hope this is a good combo, guys. I really do. This I'm going to be using Miriam and Butter Love from Colored Ring. Colored Ring lip products are super awesome. People think I'm naked. I'm not naked, you. And I love to use this little real voluminous small, it's like an eye kajal. It's a voluminous smoldering eyeliner. I can't get the words out. It's short. This is exactly how short it is. It's sold on Amazon. I don't know anywhere else that it is sold, but it's sold on Amazon. So yes, you see the difference. Now I look more awake. I have used the NYX serum, Bear With Me serum concealer under my eyes, and I think the eyes look really pretty. I'm gonna go into that purple sparkly color on my lash line, my lower lash line. That I put will kind of make it deeper, okay? Because black brings out the depth. Okay, I'm gonna go into Milagro. Doesn't want to focus, so that is Milagro. Thank you for focusing, camera. And I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Oh wow! Watch me put this same color as a highlight color on my nose. Let's see if it'll show more there. Just right there. Oh, that is pretty. That is pretty. You know me, I always like to use all of the colors in the eyeshadow palette for my face. I'm looking for a small brush because I'm about to go into the apples of my cheek. I haven't bronzed my face yet. I'm very well aware. The eye is looking really pretty. I like. It's pretty. It's different. I'm going to go into ambidextrous and place that color right here, and then I'm going to blend it out. That right there. Oh wow! See how it's showing up. Maybe not for long, but okay. Blend, 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 blend. I'm going to use the same brush to apply some sort of highlighter. I'm going to go into Cafecito. Cafecito is this color right here.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan.
Tacos and chill. Tacos and chill is this color very lightly because I'm gonna go in here. See? The matte eyeshadows in this palette are no joke. I'm using Tacos and Chill to just lightly define my nose. I want to go into tacos and chill and see if it will show up on the sides of my face. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E4 brush. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, now.
Förstå. Ser det som ett allt det dig jag vill wifi.
Succeeded in using this eyeshadow palette by Sigma and Beautybird my whole face. I love this. Look, as far as I'm concerned, I could go out like this. I just need some lip gloss. We're gonna go into Butter Love, Miriam and Butter Love. Okay, I'm gonna create some sort of ombre lip. Let's put this Butter Love and see. Do. Ooh, I love the. Ooh, okay. I'm so mad at them because I don't know when this video is going to be up, but at the time of my recording right now, they just released a new how do you talk while doing your lips? It's called Skills. It's a little too warm, but it's just gonna have to work. The lips are too warm for the eyes. I'm going to come back and change the lip color. I'm happy, but I don't think it goes with this look. I think I need something more. The iconic London bronze. I think this is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow in this color. Hello. So I am going to change the lip color. I will be using Dose of Colors. I cannot remember the name of this lip color, but it is a very cool pink because the look that I have on today is very cool. So it only makes sense that the lip color should also be cool. But I'm going to go very easy because Dose of Colors also has a great formula and the colors are going to show. Okay, so I have to go easy. Okay, now I cleaned off the lip color that was there before. Because this is very bright, I'm going to only start with the my inner lip. Okay, you just don't see what I'm going to do, okay? Okay, like that. You don't need too much. I'm not going to go all over my lips. I'm going to look stupid. Okay, and we're grown women on this channel. Okay, we don't do that. So this is a tip. If you've not put liner on your lips, you don't feel like putting liner, just put the lip color if it's bright in the center of your lips and make sure you blend. So the natural line of your lips will serve as a liner. This is not foolproof. It may not work for some lips because different lips have different colors and pigmentation. But for if you have lips like mine or you have a little brown edge around your lips, it will work. Okay? But if you don't, you can always go in with a liner. No big deal. Look at how pretty that looks. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty. Pretty. I'm your rich auntie. Okay? Okay, so this is the end of the video. I am loving the look. My wannabe lace front Skills wig. I love it. It's pretty. Okay? I might just wear it to work this week. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I love that Sigma eyeshadow. I mean, I gushed over it throughout the whole video. I like the shimmers are very subtle, but the mattes performed so well. Yes, thank you, Sigma. That is the end of the video. If you liked the content, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. Every little subscriber counts. Every comment counts. Every view counts. Like my video. Turn on the notification bell if you like what you see. I have so much more. And if you have suggestions on what you would like me to see, definitely let me know. I am at your service. See you later. See you in my next video. And thank you for watching.